Here's a demonstration of a slight ticking noise that I've found is present on some of the MX Zilent switches that I've made using alias housings. You can hear the noise when you just slightly tap the key. This one you don't really hear it on because I've put a different top on. I've put the Utemu Ice V2 top that I got back in January from Gazoo, and this top seems to mostly solve the issue with that noise. I'll demonstrate it again. It's not a huge difference, but it's definitely quieter. See, the 2 is definitely quieter, so it seems to be caused by play in the stem, looseness in the stem of the switch. So when I take this off, go ahead and take these caps off. I have this awesome hot swap board where the plate isn't very tight, so the switches come off. So let's pull these off. Maybe you can see the difference here in wobble on the stems. There's a fair amount of wobble there, right? So I think what happens is when you hit the key off center, I think the stem impacts the side of the housing because of the wobble. This one, as you can probably tell, has less. It's very minimal. Almost nothing. It almost doesn't move. Whatever it is, it's very minimal. It's almost rock solid. This one just, woo, it's all over the place. There it is.